वीर्येण विद्रुतानि महात्मनः ससुरासुरगन्धर्वं सयक्षोरराक्षसं जगद्वशे वर्ततेदं कृष्णस्य सचराचरम् इन्द्रियाणि मनोबुद्धिस्सत्त्वं तेजोबलं श्रुतिः वासुदेवात्मकान्याहो क्षेत्रज्ञ एव च सर्वगमनमाचारः प्रथमं परिकल्पितः प्रभो धर्मो धर्मस्य प्रभुरच्युतः ऋषयः पितरो देवा महाभूतानि धातवः जङ्गमं चेदं जगन्नारायणोद्भवम् योगो ज्ञानं तथा साङ्ख्यं
विद्या शिल्पं कर्म च वेदशास्त्राणि
सर्वं जनार्दन
एको विष्णुर्भूतं
पंचभूतमनेकशः
त्रिलोकलोकव्यभूतात्मा
भूमे विश्वभुवव्ययः इमं सर्वं भगवतो विष्णोर्व्यासेन कीर्तितम् पठेच्छेत्पुरुषः प्राप्नोस्यन्तितम् विश्वेश्वरमयं देवं जगतः प्रभुमव्ययम् भजन्ते पुष्कराक्षं न ते यान्ति पराभवम् न ते यान्ति पराभवम्
अर्जुनोवाच
पद्मपत्राक्ष पद्मनाभसुवर्तन भक्तानां प्रातः भवत्यान्दनम्
श्रीभगवानुवाच यो नाम
सहस्रेण
स्तोतुमिच्छति पाण्डव
सोऽहमेकेन श्लोकेन स्तुत एव न संशयः स्तुत एव न संशयो नम इति
व्यासोवाच
वासनात् वासुदेवस्य वास्तुते जगत्त्रयम् सर्वभूतनिवासोऽसि वासुदेव नमोऽस्तुते श्रीवासुदेव नमोऽस्तुते नम इति
पर्वतवाच
केनोपायेन लग्ना विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रकम् पठ्यते पण्डितैर्नित्यं श्रोतुमिच्छाम्यहं प्रभो श्रीईश्वरोवाच
श्रीराम राम रमेति राम रमे मनोरमे
राम राम वरानने श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे राम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने श्रीराम नाम वरानने सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने
राम राम
नमोऽस्तुताय सहस्रमूर्तये सहस्रशिशिरोरुबाहवे सहस्रनाम्ने पुरुषाय शाश्वते सहस्रकोटियुगधारिणे नमः सहस्रकोटियुगधारिणे नमो नमः इति
संजय उवाच
यत्र योगेश्वर कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रेयो भूतपूर्वाणीतिर्मतिर्मम
श्रीभगवानुवाच
चिन्तयन्तो मां ये जनाः पर्युपासते तेषामिच्छाभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्मसंस्थापनार्थाय सम्भवामि युगे युगे विषण्णाश्चिदलांश्च भीता येषु शब्दादिषु वर्तमानाः सङ्कीर्त्य नारायणशब्दमात्रं विमुक्तदुःखाः सुखिनो भवन्तु
कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियेण बुद्ध्यात्मना करोमि यज्ञं सकलं परस्मै नारायणाय समर्पयामि सर्वं
I didn't know Vasudha is coming. Okay, ma, whenever you are ready, we're going to talk. Before that, you want to wait for some time and you want to start with your questions. Just feel free. Amma, can you come here? Okay, yeah. Can you give me your Krishna? I'll say your Krishna and I'll give you my Krishna. I can keep in your lap and you can see my Krishna. I also brought my Krishna like you, ma. समझ में नहीं आता हिंदी speaks in
Yeah, he speaks Hindi.
just कब से किया रमा you bring your Krishna Because I saw you bringing your Krishna. I was very happy when you brought your Krishna. I was just reminded in Vrindavan, wherever people go, they take the Krishna with them. Even for parikrama also. Amma, have you gone to Vrindavan?
Yeah.
Did you do the parikrama?
Yeah.
How many people you have seen there doing parikrama with their own Krishna?
Yeah, they are all.
Same thing.
We do also that.
See, that's why I said, okay, you can keep this Krishna in your lap. Amma, anybody who is in a sari, and Bhaisan, if you remove your shirt, you can keep Krishna in your lap as long as you want. And even this Krishna has a little bit of peculiarity. If you keep Krishna like that facing you, okay, do me a favor, remove that garland.
Yes, ma'am.
Remove it, put it up. Okay, just put it up. Now you can take it out completely. Now you can see Krishna better. Adjust his flute. Because one day Radha did some mischief with his flute. So adjust that flute. Is it up to his mouth?
Yeah.
Sometimes it drops down.
No, it is.
You see, she already bent it.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, because sometimes, you know. Have you gone to Nidhivan, Namma? Have you gone to Nidhivan?
Yes.
You know what is Radha called there? Come on, you went to Nidhivan, how could you forget Radha there? Murli Chori Radha.
Yeah. There is a temple.
There is a
big
temple.
Radha.
Exactly.
When you enter there.
Exactly, she is called Murli Chori Radha. So she did something naughty, so that flute got bent.
Okay.
Very nice symbol. So Radha also is a child crawling here. Now just let me see whether the flute is like this. Ah, yeah, okay, flute is it. Let me just pen into it. That's it, you can keep Krishna as long as you want. Now the Krishna, if you keep like that, just straight, that means you are telling your difficulties to Krishna. If you keep that Krishna to your right, that means you are praying, Krishna, I want a son like you. And if you turn Krishna to your left, that's how they do the puja for Krishna. He is also called not only Vatapatra Shahi, he is also called Santana Gopala Krishna. Vatapatra Shahi, Karara Vindena Padara Vindam, Mukhara Vinde Viniveshayantam, Vatasya Patrasya Puteshayanam, Balam Mukundam, Manasa Smarami. Like a little boy, innocent boy, as if he doesn't know anything. Just born boy, baby boy, trying to hold his right foot with his left hand and trying to keep in his own mouth and lying down on a banyan leaf is called Vatapatra Shahi. The same Vatapatra Shahi, nobody bothered. He is also called Santana Gopala Krishna. I know. I forgot. I know both of you are not OBGYN. You are not OBGYN, right?
No.
You are not OBGYN.
I was. I'm not practicing anymore.
Then you got the right choice. I got the right. He came to the right person. You know, I tell you, no OBGYN could give that kind of a guarantee. At least some 400 people would have done that puja in our temple. 99% guaranteed. I don't know whether you can give that kind of a guarantee. 396 of them got children. 4 people, it's his choice. He is Sarva Swatantra. He has all the freedom. Nobody can question him. Except for 396 out of 400 people got children. Not even ordinary pregnancies, in your own terminology. In vitro fertilizations, surrogate mothers. And after marriage, some people know children for 5 years, 10 years. You know the longest? 18 years after marriage. Age 23 she got married. Not one, 3 of them. 18 years, no children. Age 41 they did the puja, conceived. Age 42 they delivered. No. Going back to your terminology. First time pregnancy, after 40. Probability, autism, Down syndrome. All 3 are in excellent condition. Be careful with it.
Can I add something?
You can ask anything, sir.
Can I add something?
Good.
Like, we all know, Arpan Prabhu, we all know Arpan Prabhu and Shali. They were struggling with their to have a baby, and one day it happened to that he spoke to me and I told him to go to the temple and then pray. And he went there, and we all know they have a baby girl.
Wow.
And they had so many artificial insemination or whatever in the India.
The only thing is what
They spent
Krishna
so much
does-
money and then they went to the temple. I said, believe it or not believe it, just blindly go there. Trust me, just go there and then pray and come back and see what happens.
As I told you, now suppose based on that, suppose that little boy asked, Krishna, I don't want to write my SAT. Will you write SAT for me? He will not write SAT for you. What Krishna does is, you study and you prepare. Whatever you studied, Krishna will make sure you'll recollect it in the exam hall and you will get what best you can get. But Krishna will not write the exam for you. Then what did he do in the OBGYN cases for them not getting pregnant? Same thing. She tried implanting in vitro fertilizations, 10 times the body rejected. They prayed to Krishna, Krishna made sure this time the body did not reject. That's all right. You know it, right? In simple terms,
Yeah.
the mother's body thinks a foreign body has entered and pushes it out
Right.
with its own hormones, secretion, chemistry, contractions, etc., correct?
Yeah.
What all Krishna does is when you appeal to him for his mercy, he is called Apara Karunambudhe. Krishna is the most merciful Lord. And whomsoever you think is the angriest person is not angriest at all. Lakshmi Nrsimha is the most angriest person according to some people. No. Prahlada says if you are a Rakshasa, he is angriest for you. If you are a devotee, Prahlada says, he is so merciful. He is looking at me with such a merciful look. Why are you people scared? He says. Therefore, what Krishna does? 10 times the implants have failed. What he does, he will make sure this time the body will not reject. Same thing. Surrogate mothers also. Even for the surrogate mothers also, it may not, the body may not accept. Therefore, it works. To such an extent, you won't believe. New Jersey, there's a hospital, where one OBGYN doctor, she tells her patients, it keeps on rejecting. Can you do me a favor? Can you just go to that, do that Santana Goparakshna Puja and come back? At least you will save some time for you and me, she will say. After 2 or 3 rejections, because you are also a human being, and repeatedly going through the same thing, she just came to the conclusion, because she herself could not believe. She herself came and she saw that. And when the cases are going beyond her control, she simply says one word, can you just go there and pray to the Krishna and come? Therefore, enjoy. Go ahead, we started. Hey, the other day you were there in the hospital, right? You were not feeling good. Can you come here? Now you tell me what are your experiences. I'll tell you, why I call you, I want to tell you the way. Now you tell me, what did you feel when you were there in the hospital? Dad was not there next to you. Mom was not there. Are they allowed to be there next to you?
Yeah, one of us.
Oh, because they are doctors, right? And you are a minor, right? But even then, even if dad was there, mom was there, you were admitted, right? You were inpatient, right?
Yeah.
What were your feelings? Stand that side.
Well, I was hurting a lot, so I was in pain. And also, I was like a little bit scared.
Were you afraid? I want to hear that. You were scared. Scared of what?
Of like how long it would take to get better, because it was already like 2 weeks. Like,
That's
a week
it?
and a half.
Scared of only how to get better? Anything more than that?
Maybe if it would get worse.
What is it?
If it would get worse.
It will get worse. Go to the next step. Keep going. keep going. I want to hear you in your own words.
I think at one point I had a bad fever also.
Good.
Like 105, I think.
Good. So you had fever also. Then the thought process shifted to? Go ahead. Everybody will enjoy your talking. The thought process shifted to, could it be corona, right?
Well, I was already tested.
You already tested, so it is not. Okay, you preempted that, right? Okay, so you were, even though she tested, if it is dad, you know what he will think? That test could be false negative.
Yeah.
Let me go for one more time, right? The more you know, the more you worry about it. So after all these worries, what were you thinking?
Like,
Did you ever think if I surrender to Krishna, Krishna will take care of me?
yeah, I was praying.
Your praying is different. Thinking of absolute surrender to Krishna is different. Did you think of it?
No.
But if you don't mind then, can I say one thing bluntly? I should educate your father and mother more. If you have not taught your child how to surrender to Krishna, you have not done your job. That's all. Remember sending them to the best school. Tomorrow, paying $80,000 per year and sending them to MIT, Harvard, Princeton, Yale, etc. is good. But that is not the end of life. The real goal of life is whether the child reaches Krishna after this lifetime, that's all. Or will go through the same process of Garbha Narakam again. I'm not trying to tell you for good or bad today a OBGYN is sitting here. The minute, consider, the minute she gave birth to a child, they say Matru Devo Bhava. Your life has come to perfection. First you were there as a daughter to somebody, then you were there as a wife to somebody, now you are there as a mother. So you completed the whatever perfection a woman is expected to, you have achieved it. So Matru Devo Bhava, for your child, your first worshipful deity is not even Krishna, is your own mother. But the same scripture that talks about Matru Devo Bhava also talks about Garbha Narakam. Have you heard of it? You heard of that word Garbha Narakam?
Yeah, when the baby is in the womb.
Exactly, when including myself, yourself, every one of us, if we have taken birth, after death, forget about the suffering in Yamaloka, God of death. Read Garuda Puranam. It will scare you so much. In addition to going through those painful experiences after death in hell, Narakam, if you read Garuda Puranam, you will understand. Sleeping in the womb of a mother for 36 weeks, 37, 38, 40 weeks, no, is called a Garbha Narakam. You never heard? You want to explain it? Why it is called Garbha Narakam?
Because it's so much painful and it's all the dirty secretions and everything inside. And the child is infected by.
Once upon a time, India had a prime minister called Morarji Desai. You know what I am talking about, right? He lived for 97 years. Press reporters went and asked him, what is the secret of your long life? He said, simple. Every morning I will get up, go to the bathroom, collect all my urine and drink it every day. Every one of us thought, disgusting fellow, doing stupid things and bragging about it shamelessly in front of TV cameras. Hello, not only Morarji Desai, myself, yourself, including OBGYN, every one of us, when we are there in the womb of a mother, floating in the amniotic fluids, the fetus keeps on urinating and that urine gets mixed with the amniotic fluids. And the child doesn't need any food, umbilical cord supplies to the mother. And what all the fetus is doing is same recycling. Urinate, get it mixed with the fluids, again keep drinking, again urinate, again, correct? Garbha Narakam. And that too, don't think that it has a luxury mansion like this to sit 6 feet apart. I don't know why you people are doctors and nobody is having a mask. Are you thinking you are immune to all these things or what? So many, I know at least, no, I don't know why you people don't have a mask. Please go and have. Do not trust him. Do not trust anybody sitting next to you. Everybody could be a potential carrier. Please remember that. Everybody could be a... Emma, is it not your rule number 1 in a hospital? Correct? Yes. Every person you come across could be a potential carrier, correct? Now coming back to, Amma, mask is not for the hand, madam. It is not a bracelet. Okay, I don't have to tell you, mask is not for the hand, it's for the nose or face. I'm afraid I don't want you to pass on your virus to my Krishna.
No, he will not.
I know, he is immune to all those. What I'm trying to say is, as though enough is not enough, only this much of a space, in that, ask her, the baby cannot even stretch, will be just holding on like this. Sometimes the babies come out with their hands first even. Literally the baby is there prostrating to the Lord in the prone position, correct? Yeah, in the prone with their hands like this, and they use their forceps or something, either to drag, correct? Correct? Now, as though it is not enough, remember, you are locked up in a restroom, not a luxury restroom, very small restroom, no food, only the tap is open, and your urine can get mixed and you have to keep on drinking. Not 1 day, not 2 days, 9 months, 10 months. As though that is not enough of a hell for us. A bag of urine, a bag of stool, bladder, rectum, right, and sandwiched in between. Now you can imagine what hell is. Garbha Narakam. If you do not want to go through the Garbha Narakam, just what all Krishna says, Sarva Dharman Parityajya. Forget about any dharma that you have to practice. Sarva Dharman Parityajya doesn't mean don't take care of your wife, don't take care of your children, don't pay your mortgage, don't pay your electricity bill. That is not Sarva Dharman Parityajya. The dharma that you have to follow to attain salvation, namely the Jnana Yoga, the Karma Yoga, the Bhakti Yoga, if you cannot do any of these things, Mam Ekam Sharanam Raja, just surrender to me and me only. If you do that, Aham tva sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami. Whatever be our karma, karma means negative karma, papa karma, 1 second he will just wipe out all, he will delete the entire folder. Do not think that she is 34, I am 68, or he is 54. No, this is the body age we are talking. The soul that is there inside us, the real living substance. Trillions of years old, trillions. And we have taken millions of births, and we are still here. If you want to practice Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga by your own efforts, for every birth you have a file there. Every time you have to recall a file, you have to keep on deleting it by doing the Dhanam, Prayashchittam, Japam, etc. When you do Sharanagati, all the million files that are there waiting as Sanchita Karma for our future births, Krishna has a special button, super user button. He will recall the whole folder where all the individual million files are there. With one click, delete. The whole folder is deleted. That is why you are guaranteed salvation. If you want to delete yourself, you can only delete your limited security. Limited security for the computer. You have to recall individual files and keep on deleting. You have million files to delete. This life you deleted 200 files. You are not a failure, but you did not pass the exam. So what did Krishna say? Shuchinam Srimatam Gehe Yoga Bhrashto Bhijayate. You practiced Bhakti Yoga or Karma Yoga in this life. You could not delete all million files that are there in your account. You deleted say 200 files. The remaining, you will be born next time in a religious family or an orthodox family. Then you are in a better position. But you will not start again with million files. You start only million minus the 200 files. But with the satsangam, you may be able to delete another 600 files in the next birth. But you make a mistake, get into bad company, we may acquire more files even. Because every time we take a birth, we acquire more karma. But when you have deleted, say for example, 900,000 files in a few births, when you are there left with only a few files, 300-400 files, you know what Krishna says? Adhava yogina meva kule bhavati dhimatam yetadhi durlabhataram yadi janma yadi drusham. Remember? Purely what Krishna said we taught. When you come to 90% of perfection and cannot get salvation in that birth, if you are there coming to 40%, 50%, 60% perfection, Your next birth will be in the family, in a religious family or an orthodox family. But when you come to 90% of perfection and could not attain salvation, Sri Vaikuntha Prapti, then you will be born in a very orthodox family, yogis. Adhava yogina meva kule bhavati dhimatam. You will be taking birth in the family of great yogis, and that will be your last birth. Guaranteed moksha. Sharanagati yetad dehavasa nemam tvatpadam prapayasvayam. In one life itself, this life itself, Krishna says, you do Sharanagati to me. And what is that Sharanagati means? Man mana bhava mad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mami vaishyasi satyante pratijane priyosi me. Lord Krishna is making a promise. In the name of truth, in the name of Satyam, I promise you, when you think of me, in your mind, when you become my devotee, when you worship me, and when you prostrate before me, I promise you in the name of truth, you will come to me undoubtedly. That is called Sharanagati. That's called Sharanagati. And only Krishna has that super user button. The whole folder can be deleted with one stroke. Aham tva sarva papebhyo, very clear, every word. But the only difficulty is mam ekam sharanam raja. Like a pativrata sticking to only one husband. Bina, you understand? Dilip is the husband for your body, not for your jivatma. That jivatma belongs to that Paramatma. That is why when Mirabai's husband Rana questioned her, for a married woman, your husband is your pratyaksha daivam. So leaving me, keeping me to your side, why are you worried about Krishna, 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 Krishna always? You know her reply, आप मेरे पति हैं, लेकिन वो मेरा प्रभु है. You are right, sir, you are my husband. Your jurisdiction is only over my body. With the body, you tell me whatever you want. You want me to cook for you? I will do that. You want me to clean your palace? I will do that. You want to have 10 children with me? Have them. But you have no jurisdiction over my soul. My soul belongs to Krishna. He is the only Lord for my soul. So, as a husband, you have full liberty with my body, but not with my soul. That doesn't belong to you. That doesn't belong to me either. It belongs to Krishna. So the soul that belongs to Krishna, you offer to Krishna. And when you offer that, there is nothing as I or mine. The concept of Sharanagati is how to overcome that I and my. Our enemies are not these people. I am my own enemy, that I and my. Before Sharanagati, remember it is not sannyasam. Before, it is a simple procedure how to overcome that I and my. Before Sharanagati, you go for a job, you do some business, you make money, you buy a car, you buy a house, you get married, you have family life, you have children. You are thinking, I bought the car, I bought the house, these are my children. After Sharanagati also, after offering your soul in a due process to Krishna, you can still go to work, you can still do a business, you can still make money, you can still buy a car, you can buy a house, you can get married, you can have family life, you can have children. But your thought process has to change. Before, I bought the car, now Lord Krishna made me buy the car. Before, I bought the house. After Sharanagati, Lord Krishna made me buy the house. Before, you have children, my children. After Sharanagati, Lord Krishna blessed us with these children. That I and my has to go. If that I and my are not gone, remember that I and my is the biggest devil sitting on our head. Not only sitting on our head, or mostly in our head. Inside, that is the problem. How to overcome? Go ahead, start somewhere. What are your questions? I may be talking something which of my choice. Go ahead, sir. And if you are thinking, oh, I made a mistake, maybe that little girl is thinking, I'm only I mean you only, ma. If you don't mind, ma. I thought maybe just what, 15, 16 year old. No? No, you're a grown up.
She's
Okay,
a
if you-
mom.
Huh?
She's a mom of 18.
She is a mom of an 18-year-old.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you are thinking, mom of 18 means at least some say 38. Okay. So if you are thinking I'm only 38, why should I worry about Krishna Sharanagati now? Reverse it. When I become 83, then I will think of Sharanagati. Hello?
Yeah.
You are also a doctor?
No.
No, I see. Ask any one of these doctors, they can give you a guarantee whether you will be there up to